Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Proaction washing machine and I'm going to show you how to clean the lint filter on it. It's a model number A105QW. Down on the front, bottom right hand corner, there's a little door. If you get a screwdriver and just pop the top in, it falls down like that. And then in here, there's a little handle, twisted anti-clockwise. You're getting some magic juice coming out there now. If you're indoors, put a towel down or something like that to catch this, or do it outdoors if you can get the machine out. Open it slowly or open it quickly. If you open it quickly, that's about how much water is coming out. We're talking 2 or 3 litres there. It's all a bit green and soapy. Inside, you can see the impeller blades, but it is a bit brown in there on the sides, so I'm not sure why it's like that, but it looks like it could use a clean. You could give that a run under the tap and give it a wash out with a brush. Give that a little wipe out with a cloth, but there's nothing in there stopping it working. Sometimes you'll get a hair clip or something like that stuck in here. To put it back, you've got a little tab on the top of that and none on the bottom, so the tab has to line up with the groove. Where's the groove? Groove looks to be in the bottom, I think, on this one. Groove's in the bottom, push it in and give it a twist. And then just snap it shut and that's you done. Thanks for watching, see you later.